The 2025 Audi Motorhome ushers in a new era of mobility where the boundless spirit of discovery and Audi's precision engineering collide. This motorhome, which is built for contemporary adventurers who want state-of-the-art comfort and technology, epitomizes Audi's basic values: performance, sophistication, and progress, all on wheels. External style. The Audi Motorhome has a sculpted profile, aggressive lines, and Audi's trademark LED lighting design, all of which contribute to its sleek, modern appearance. Whether driving on a highway or parked in a rural area, its dynamic light animations and illuminated single-frame grille make it stand out. An all-aluminum chassis and flush-mounted solar panels on the roof add both style and functionality. Comfort and interior design inside, you'll find a high-tech, minimalist living area modeled after the interiors of Audi premium vehicles. An intelligent and peaceful atmosphere is produced by a skillful fusion of digital interfaces, smart automation, and sustainable materials. Living lounge. Large open-plan space including voice-activated lighting, OLED smart screens, and adjustable seats. Kitchen zone, stylish yet small with retractable surfaces, a smart refrigerator, and induction cooktops. The bedroom suite features a king-size bed, privacy glass, built-in soundscape, and customizable ambient settings. Bathroom pod, touchless controls, a lighted mirror, and an eco-friendly water system. Driving experience and technology. The Audi Motorhome's all-electric Quattro platform provides remarkable torque and range while operating in a whisper-quiet manner. With Audi AI installed for autonomous driving, it enables smooth self-parking and hands-free highway cruising. Range, when fully charged up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles. Charging, for rapid top-ups, a very speedy 800-volt charging system. Comfort, off-road, eco, and autonomous are the available drive modes. Journey Astute integration. The virtual cockpit from Audi is not limited to the driver's seat. A centralized touchscreen or voice assistant, linked to the My Audi app for remote control and trip personalization, controls the complete living area. Smart presets for lighting, climate, and appliance settings. The lounge area features integrated AR heads-up navigation, and 5G connectivity with satellite backup allows for off-grid internet access. Efficiency and sustainability. Constructed with vegan-friendly materials and recycled composites, the 2025 Audi Motorhome is a model of luxury that respects the earth. It maintains high performance while lowering its carbon footprint thanks to its aerodynamic design, regenerative energy technology, and solar-assisted energy system. The 2025 Audi Motorhome is a moving smart house that embodies the future of Audi innovation and design, making it more than just a travel companion. Whether traversing urban streets or isolated alpine passes, it provides the ideal balance of mobility, intelligence, and style.